Hi guys, welcome to Spring Boot microservice tutorial series, and today we'll see environment setup. So what we require to set up work with Spring Boot applications. Let's discuss. Okay, so here we need JDK and one build tool, Maven, and one ID for development. Okay, JDK download for Windows, and you can go to the first link. And here if you see, it is navigating to the Oracle, and if you see here, Java downloads. So here multiple versions are available, 22, 21, 17. So today we'll go with 17. So first what you need to do, we need to select the Windows and choose that operating system version. Let's consider 64 and download this one. I'll give you this link in the description also. So already I downloaded, and also I installed also. So after installation, what we need to do, we need to set up that environment variable. How to set up, I'll show you. So first come to the Windows C and type program files and go to the Java. So once you install your JDK, it will install in the Windows C, and copy this bin directory path, and you can search environment variable and click on edit system environment variable, and come here, and here you can click on new and give java underscore home, and give this path jdk 17. Okay, and after that you can go to the path, and in the path section we need to specify this one. Okay, so once it is done, so it is good to go with jdk now. And for the confirmation purpose, you can open the command prompt and type java hyphen version, so it will give the version. So currently I have installed jdk 17, so you are also install same version. Okay, this is one thing. And next, another one will go with maven. Okay, to download the maven, you can just go with maven downloads, and if you see here, it is open apache maven. You can click that one, and here you can download the Maven file. So this one also already I downloaded, and I'll show you. So once you download the zip file, and you can extract it. So once you are extract, it will show like this. So you no need to install this one. Then again you need to set this path also environment variable. For that one, again you need to type edit system environment variable and click on the edit, and we need to define maven underscore home. In the same way, we need to give the bin directory path in the path. So if you see maven underscore home slash bin, like this we need to provide. Once maven setup is done, then we'll download one id. That id is called IntelliJ id. Again go to the browser, type IntelliJ idea download. Just you can select first link. So if you see here, it is showing IntelliJ id ultimate, but ultimate is not required. We'll go with community edition, and it is down. You can click on the download. Anyway, it is showing exe file for windows. Once you download it, just you can install this IntelliJ id. So already I have installed this one, so I'm not downloading. Okay, I'll give this link into the description to download IntelliJ id. So we are done with first three steps. With this, we are done with the environment setup. So in the next video, we'll see how to create Spring Boot project. So if you feel this video is helpful for you, please give thumbs up, subscribe to my channel.